Hey everybody, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. In this short video, I just want to go over quickly some information you want to think about, or that you will have to think about if you perform the job of underground utilities or excavation. And so let me show you this very quickly, and I hope sometime in 2024 you'll sign up for one of our classes. So let me show you one thing. Excavation. What this plan does, gives us our cut area, and it gives us some section views. You got to know how to look at that. You got to know what that means. So basically what it does is it brings you to something like this that's to scale. Gives you your cut area. What's the proposed grade is always going to be in black. What's existing is always going to be in gray. And so if you use this scale, you'll be able to determine how many cubic yards you need to cut or fill. Okay, now underground utilities. Everything is shown here. This means something. This tells us the size of the pipe, what it is, and tells us the GPS coordinate of where the pipe is coming in to that grease trap and where the pipe is going out. Okay, so if you do this for a living, it's really important that you're able to read these plans. So we put this to scale, and for every 1 inch, it's really 30 feet. So we scale it, then we measure it. So just very quickly, we measured this DOM, that's the domestic water line, and we had about 264 feet of that. And then we also have a 6-inch sewer line. This tells you the slope. It's to slope 1% of slope as it moves on per foot. So that's why you want to take these classes if you're doing this work. You want to understand what all the symbols mean. What's the difference between proposed and existing? Why is one gray? Why is one black? We explain all of that. How to read the scale. Okay, so I just wanted to go over this very quickly. If you're underground utilities, you also have to do the excavation. Now they have a new fancy term, mitigation plan. I don't know why it's just the excavation plan. Same thing here though. For every inch you measure, it's 50 feet. Okay, so make sure sometime 2024 we have a class beginning February 20th, 3-day class, an hour a day, where we go over the full civil set, show you how to read the plans. If that's your scope of work, you need to know. You need to make sure you know what you're looking at. The utilities, underground utilities, what all this means, and how you can learn to put your estimates together and to perform very accurate takeoffs. What view are we looking at? What's the difference between the plan view, the section view? Make sure you join me next week. This is Stacy, SF Johnson Consulting. Have a great rest of your day.